Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to build a PC. Also, this video is a joke, by the way, just making sure nothing happened like the last time I made a joke video and it got like 20 or so dislikes. So first off, you'll need some Elmer's Glue All, just to make sure the RAM holds in there on the graphics cards and stuff. Next up, you'll need a hard drive. I picked up the top of the line hard drive. It has, let's see, 102 gigabytes. I hope that's enough. And you also need some RAM. I got my RAM here. And you also need Luigi. This motherboard came with a CPU built in. You see, it says Intel, which means that this runs off of the Intel CPUs, so it's already all in and great. Second up, we have the hard drive. The bad boy stores your Windows, your pirated Nintendo games, I don't actually think I have a connector for this, so I hope this works. Actually, we'll just put a USB in. Next up, we got the RAM. You see, this has 512 megabytes of storage. RAM. Anyway, let's just put it in here. First off, you gotta put this in, and then you line it up. You gotta make sure it clicks. Okay, so you put it in gently and nicely. If you don't hear a click, you can just close it up, and then you kind of flip it over to check if it got inserted correctly. Maybe we should try that again, and maybe the other way around. So now I can check. See, look, why don't we just use some tape? Next up, we gotta put our graphics card in. I spent the big bucks to get this. The guy said it was a 3060 or something, an ATI 3000 or something, I don't know. But apparently he was wrong. It's apparently a Quadro NVS 1440. I hope that's good enough, and the BIOS version is good. Okay, it has the DVI ports. Actually, no, I don't think these are DVI, but whatever. Let's just put it in. Sorry, guys, we're having a bit of technical difficulties. Oops. I realized I was putting it in the wrong way, so you put it in here. And see, look, well, it's nice and steady. We might have to use the glue later to, make sure it's all tight and good and stuff. Next up, the most important part is the power supply. It powers all the stuff. Plug it into a wall. Don't get electric shocked. But I don't actually have one, so the closest thing I have is a Anker power bank, so I just hope that works. Oh, I almost forgot. We need a cooling fan for the CPU, but I don't know how to attach one, so I hope this does. And finally, the thing we need last is the case. I don't actually have a proper case, so I hope this thing I found will do. Just gotta... Just forgot a couple things. Alright, final setup. Let's just turn it on. Oh boy, he's gonna be so excited when he sees his PC build. How does this look? I can't wait to see what the look on his face is. Let's see. Oh, he's typing, Here's my Oh, it's one of my videos, let's see.
No.
Finally done, but I still need to do the outro, so how should I do that? Whatever, I'll just use Audacity or something and make up something. Okay, let's think. Anyways, thank you guys for watching my little fake PC building video. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Goodbye, Latitude D630. It's time to release you into the wild because I have a much better PC.